Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a body shower brush that's used to help clean off any dirt or pores that's stuck onto your skin. This one in particular they mentioned is mainly for body, so you definitely want to use it around like your arms, your body, your legs, and etc. And for this product you can either use it dry or wet. So if you guys want to use it before you guys shower, you can definitely use it. Or if you guys want to use it while you guys are showering, you can definitely do that as well. But one thing to remember is that after you guys finish using it, you do want to wash it and rinse it, make sure it's clean. You do not want to put it on direct sunlight to dry it up. You just want to let it air dry by itself. But first thing first, let's open up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like. So the one that we got right here, it comes in a 2 set. And that's actually pretty cool, so that way you guys have a backup one. Once you guys finish using the other one, they can replace it with a new one. Because for these, you're supposed to replace it every 2 to 4 months. And that is depending on how often you guys use it. If you guys use it almost every single day for multiple times, then you probably want to replace it within 2 months. But if you guys don't plan on using it often, then probably every 4 months or so is fine. But this is basically what the product looks like in the front. And this is what it looks like on the side. And this will look on the back side. So both of these are basically the same thing and same color and everything, but they also have other colors designed as well available online. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one's best for you guys. So all you guys need to do is hold it like this and start scrubbing on your skin to clean off any dirt or pores off your body. Or if you guys want to, you can go like this as well and just scrub like that. And let's forget about what the benefits of using the product. You guys can actually refer to the image right here. And if you're curious about what is the material that they use on here, it is a premium wood. You guys can see from right here. And they also have a non-slip material right here as well to prevent it from slipping around when you guys use it, which is pretty awesome as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me show you guys a quick test of that product to show you guys how to use it. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the product. So the way how you guys use it, is just use it on your body. So in this case, I'm just going to use it on my arm to show you guys how to use it. So you guys can either use it dry or wet. But in this test, I'm going to show you guys how to use it when it's dry. So just go like this throughout your skin. When you guys use it, you guys can definitely feel a little bit of pain right here because it's kind of like scratching you. So if you guys think about it, it's kind of like scratching your skin. But you guys kind of have to use it like that because if you guys don't, you guys cannot remove any of the dirt or pore that's on your skin. So if you guys don't like that feeling of the pain that when you guys use it, then you probably don't want to use this. But if you guys are okay with the pain, then you guys can definitely use this to help remove any of the dirt or dust that's on here, but also like pores and etc. But that's basically how you guys use the product. Once you guys are done using it, you guys want to rinse it. And once you guys finish rinsing it, you guys can just hang on somewhere and just let it air dry. So just like this. And just let it air dry like that if you guys want to. And then it's all set. If you guys want to use it wet, you can definitely do it as well. But for this test, I'm just going to show you guys how to use it when it's dry. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test actually product itself. You can definitely see it actually does work. Probably you guys can't see it actually does work, but when I actually use that myself, I can definitely feel the difference on here. It definitely cleaned a lot of the oil, the dirt, and the pores that's still left on here on my skin. So when I actually use it in the test, I only use it on my hand or my arm because I can't really show you guys on my body just because of like privacy. But you guys can definitely use it on your body, your arms, your legs, your feet, and etc. But some other benefits that I forgot to mention earlier is the fact that it actually helps with blood circulation as well when you guys use it, and also help you guys release any kind of like tension that's on your body if you guys have a lot of stress or whatever. And another thing that I did not mention earlier is the fact that if you guys have like damaged skin or infected skin, you do not want to use this on your skin. And obviously if you guys are not feeling comfortable or it doesn't feel comfortable when you guys use it, then you guys want to stop using it. This is not meant for everyone, so if you guys do use it, then that's great. But if you guys don't like it, then don't use it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I definitely have to say that it is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys plan on using this a lot to help remove any kind of dirt, pores, or whatever on your skin, then this is super worth it in those scenarios. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one, or if you guys don't like the feeling of using one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.